How it is?
Make sure anything you do in life has to have meaning.
How it is a shoot?
I would say follow your dream.
Hey, me did I wanna song them pan his sitting when me did like, he ain't say nothing pan his song. But it is just it sound good, brother. I just the simple fact that it sound good. You didn't really need to say nothing. This is one of them man they wanna even need to man can sit down there and mumbling tune them, brother, and it sound good to me. To me at least. Oh, what is? Yeah. Yeah. Mm-mm.
It's good to have a lot of friends.
Sometimes go out and swings, sometimes we play games.
Oh no. I me alone I hear what me I hear. It sound like I couldn't Jamaica. No, I couldn't.
Ride bicycle and play ball.
A Jamaica. One bucklet. You know them son, you know them phrases anywhere you go by you know it. Ride bicycle and play ball. A Jamaica this. Can't tell me nothing. Wait, me find out,
You
man.
want to skate or surf or play football, just have fun.
Me find out, man. Jamaica streets them, brother.
We be all blue. And it will be peaceful.
We go swimming, just have fun.
All my days, there's a lost in the rain.
Juice WRLD never depend on song, yeah.
The same, so why I can't remember my name. I still fell in love with Bay.
I don't think they did actually have him on this song with the man. I think they just merge it in it somewhere. They find some way for get the song on the beat. Try to match it up. I must that then though.
We ain't talking secrets, and everything is clear and bright. My answer to my misery is so high I can't see straight. Early to my own misery party when God specifically told me to be late. Since 10th grade I've been fucked. I call for help and only see my demons show up. One of them passed me a double cup, then they passed me another one, then I asked for another one. As time passes,
And Jamaica is for real?
stuck in the cage.
From me I grew up, me never once see one Jamaican surf from my birth. I could have never Jamaica this happen.
It's been here a couple of days. Guess Satan stuck in
Me
his
never
ways.
see
He
it.
got the prettiest face, don't he? It's crazy to think God the one that painted the face on him. He's staring at me. If I keep looking back, I'm a goner.
Yo, them days, yeah, dog, man.
Make it big in football with all my friends that I play with right now.
I have it. The one and only Jamaica this. Cut off foot jeans, polo shirt. It smell like it, brother. XXX.
I want to be professional. I want to play in the Etihad Stadium one day.
Miss the younger days, brother. But you know, 1 million in 18 hours. The XXXTentacion Foundation supporting youth community and infrastructure projects in places like Jamaica, Uganda, and all around the world. Hey, so a high probability that it was Jamaica, indeed. Them, if them man they never dead, you know, bro, then would that be like the biggest thing out right now. Man, they would that make moves, dog. That strive for some things right now. I just life, eh? Till next time, yo, let me know. What I go with? I let me know if I used to listen to them song here too, or just me. Me no care now. Me no care. Me listen to whatever me think sound good. Can't tell me what to listen to. Anyway, we're gone.